Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you guys can see, it's by a brand called North Face. If you want to what this is their new jacket that is the Venture jacket. So when I first saw this product, I was like, wait, this looks exactly the same one as my Resolve jacket. And let me show you guys which one I'm actually talking about really quick. So if you guys can see right here in my hand, this is the Revolve jacket. And right here is the Venture jacket. Alright, so when you put both jackets side by side, this is basically what it looks like. That's comparison between both of these jackets right here. And both jackets is supposed to be waterproof. I've been using this for at least more than a year or so now, and this has been working really well. It's keeping you really warm and everything. And then for this jacket, I just got it, so I'm gonna test this out and give you guys like an update video in probably like a month or a week or something, and then compare both of these two for you guys. But for this video, I'm just gonna be talking about this jacket and testing out the waterproof and everything on this product. But before I do all that, let's show you guys what is on this jacket first. And the reason why I bought this jacket is because, first of all, obviously that video for that jacket, it made a lot of views and all you guys are commenting like crazy on that video, so I wanted to give this a try and let you guys know what the difference is. Number two, for that jacket, I've been using it so often that the materials started to wear off a little bit, so the waterproof material is not as waterproof anymore, so I needed a new rain jacket, and also because I washed it incorrectly. So definitely a lesson learned this time of how to actually wash it. Just to let you guys know as well, you guys should definitely use like cold water and cold low temperature to dry the product, or to actually wear off the waterproof material, which is definitely not good because you guys want to have a waterproof jacket to wear in the rainy season and whatnot. So the one main difference between this one versus the other jacket is the fact that if you guys look at the armpit right here, you guys actually have option right here where you can actually slide it open like this to give your armpit some air or something, so that way if you're too hot or something, you guys have the option to kind of let loose any kind of like steam or heat that's on your arm or whatever. And then when you guys are done, just zip it back up like this, and then it's ready to be used again. For the sleeve part, you can see right here, you have this option where you can actually tighten it or loosen it. Where the Resolve one, you guys can't do that because it's just one size. But in terms of the pocket, it's basically the same kind of concept, same kind of build. Same thing for the other side as well. If you guys can see right here, you guys can fit the same amount of stuff at the Resolve jacket. And then same thing on the other side, you can see they have the option to open up the armpit area. For the Resolve one, it didn't have the option, so that's definitely one thing to kind of consider. If you guys look at the back of the hood area, you guys have this little slot right here where you can actually adjust the hood. So you guys want to like loosen it or tighten it, you guys can just pull the strap right here, just like that, to like make it tight or something if you guys want to. If you guys want to make this part tighter or looser, that's up to you guys. So this way is kind of like a way where you guys can actually hide the hood in a way, but not really. Not like the Resolve one where you guys can actually fold it in. Let me show you guys really quickly. So if you guys see my Resolve jacket right here, you guys can see there's no hood, and the reason why is actually sewed into the compartment right here. You kind of open back up. You guys can see. So that's kind of like an option you guys get on the Resolve jacket where you guys don't get on the Venture jacket. And obviously last but not least is the material that's inside the jacket. You guys can see it's definitely much different than the one that is on the Resolve jacket. So that's basically everything that's on the jacket itself. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let's actually put it on and show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so when we put it on, basically this is what kind of looks like. So you can see it's very loose and actually makes a lot of noise, same thing like the other one, but this is more like a relaxed fit, whereas the other one that we wear from the Resolve jacket is more of a slim or regular fit. This one's more of a relaxed fit, so it's definitely, you can see, a lot looser and a lot baggier than the other one. So if you guys are trying to look for a more regular fit or more slim fit kind of design, then definitely go for the Resolve. But if you guys want something like loose, then definitely get something like this. Like the look of it is actually really amazing too. I feel like this one actually looks a lot better than the other one from the Resolve. And this one actually has a lot of features that the Resolve jacket doesn't have. But the one thing that this jacket does not have that I wish they did have is the part to hide the hood like the Resolve jacket. But you definitely do feel really warm in here. I like the adjustable straps on here, and I like the armpit area. So if you guys loosen it up like this to open up this part right here, you guys get much more fresh air right here to kind of let your armpit breathe a little bit. And then one thing I noticed right here when I opened the armpit area, it's kind of hard to close it unless you guys kind of have help or something, or take off the jacket and then put it back on to fix this part right here. So if you guys remove this part, unzip this part, just be ready to take off your jacket before unzipping it back. It's kind of hard to unzip it back just like this. So that's basically everything that's on this jacket itself. You guys can see what it kind of looks like. It looks really nice. But now let's actually go through the waterproof test and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the Venture jacket right here. We're going to just test out to see whether or not it's actually waterproof or not by using my little shower sprayer right here, and then spray some water on here and see how waterproof it is. And you guys can see the water started sprayed right here. You can see real actual water that's being sprayed. So I'm just going to put this on the jacket and see what happens. Alright, so as you can see, it's pretty waterproof. Let me turn off the water first, so I don't waste any water. So there's the water itself. I'm just gonna use one hand just to wipe it off, see what happens. Alright, so you can see most of the water is already gone right here, but there's still some right here. It is waterproof, but there are still some water that's on here that you probably have to wipe off manually or let it dry by itself. Just have to like kind of shake off the water. So that way all the water is kind of gone, but you can see it does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the waterproof test, you guys can see that the product is waterproof and actually works really well. Not sure how it's going to work after some time of using it. Obviously, nothing lasts forever. So obviously the waterproof material will not last there forever. So the more you wash your product, or if you guys wash it incorrectly, then the material will wear off and won't be fully waterproof anymore. So that's definitely kind of one thing to consider, and make sure you're washing it correctly to keep the waterproof quality on there. So now that we did a little test and unboxing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I have to say that this is actually a really amazing product. It's definitely just as amazing as the Resolve jacket, but I feel like this one feels a little bit better because it has that like kind of relaxed fit, whereas the other one is more of a regular fit, so a little bit tighter. This one's more loose, so it actually gives you the opportunity to wear more clothes underneath if you guys need to, whereas the other one you guys are more constricted what kind of clothes you guys can wear. And also one thing that I kind of forgot to mention to let you guys know if you guys want to make it tighter is the option on the bottom. You guys see right here, you guys can actually make it tighter or loosen. Same thing like the other jackets that is from North Face as well, or any kind of jacket, so that's pretty cool. So overall, really amazing product if you guys want one, need one. But obviously for those of you guys who don't want one or don't need one, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a little unboxing, testing, and feedback about the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you just want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have